What's up?
And this is Uptown Swing Level 3 Connection Month. Go Peter, go Peter. So we did some stuff that was more on the exercise side of things. So we're going to recap some of those. They're not going to look like the most amazing swing outs, but we're focusing a lot on little things this month. So
yeah, this one say, I swear class didn't suck. This is going to look super dumb and boring.
We talked, man.
Hashtag had to be there.
We talked about how to hold each other. That's not dumb and boring.
It's great.
In this position right here, we talked about really letting our arms hang from our sides, not lifting like this. Yeah, come on in, Jeremy, for the close-up.
Float.
Not lifting like this, not reaching around too far, not pulling our partner towards us. Just letting our arms rest. My arms rest on my partner. I'm not reaching for something. And we keep this out here. We don't bring it in. We don't twist it back. We
Let me
just
show
want...
those little things right here. I put it follow shoulder height, but I have it a little out. I just think it's so much more comfy. In, you might feel like, I'm feeling myself. And she's like, ow, I'm hurting
feeling my
myself.
wrist.
So you put it out here, and I have it a tiny bit underhand. I think it feels comfy. And then, on this sock, I'm holding with my hand, and I don't make like this wrist connection, that wristy bend. I don't do that. I think you should just try holding with the hand. It makes a big difference. And then when we talked about moving, we wanted to make this difference. Instead of the impulse going hands and then moving, where the hands move first, we want you to go body, and then the hands follow after. So if we take it to here, the same thing is easier to see because it's a little bigger. This goes first, this goes second, this goes third. I go, that goes, then she goes.
Just a little delay.
So we're making it very exaggerated there. We try just walking with it. So we just walk together forward, and then I back up. And basically when I walk away from her, a rubber band stretches, and then we walk with the whole rubber band and never unstretches, just for this practice.
Some things to think about in this position right here is we want to make sure that we're holding hands, not just holding fingers out here. Followers, this is really common where followers will curl their wrist up. We don't want that extra tension.
A single tear from me every time.
We don't want that extra tension. Leaders, if you're resting your thumb, that's fine. If you're pinching your thumb, that's not fine.
No pinchies. And if you have this happening, guess what? You're actually not a very good leader. Sorry. Like, you might think you are, but in fact, you're not very good if you do that. If you do this, you got a chance. It's just the case. I'm so sorry.
So we said during this week, before we see you guys again, we want you thinking about some of this stuff so that we're not starting from zero again next week. We did simple enough footwork, just walking and just 8 count, so we could really think about how we feel with our hands, with our partner, not adding in extra tension, all that stuff. That was it.